Hello everyone, this is M. Abhilash. My seminar topic is Salesforce CRM. CRM means Customer Relationship Management, a new way of managing customer relationship in cloud environment under the guidance of Kavita Juliet ma'am. Contents of the seminar: Introduction, Salesforce CRM Architecture, Salesforce CRM Objects, Challenges towards Salesforce CRM, Salesforce CRM Advantages, Conclusion, References. Introduction: Salesforce was born cloud. Centered to distributed computing or cloud computing is the idea of programming conveyed as a service or SaaS. Salesforce helps you deal with your customer connections, incorporate with different frameworks, and manufacture your own particular applications. This means you don't have an application installed on your computer. All you need is internet connectivity and a program, and you can sign in from any place to access Salesforce. Salesforce helps you to assemble more important associations with your customers to better comprehend their needs, recognize new chances to help, and address their issues speedier. This is the architecture of Salesforce CRM. In the Salesforce CRM architecture is a multi-tenant architecture consisting of major three components. Enterprise application consisting of the different applications used by the organizations like SAP, PeopleSoft, etc. CRM can also be integrate the collection of different databases like Oracle, Sybase, or DB2. The third important portion in the Salesforce CRM architecture includes the files and the documents of the organization. These three components are collectively taken and passed through the meta processes like migration, replication, and cleansing, etc. And finally, there comes Salesforce CRM, which stores the customers' details and track the progress via campaign and opportunities. Salesforce CRM objectives. Objects are the database table that allows storing data specific to any company or organization. There exist two types of objects in Salesforce. That's it. Standard objects and custom objects. Standard objects. The objects provided by Salesforce.com are known as standard objects like account, contact, lead, etc. Salesforce CRM includes these standard objects. Account, the organizations that your association is connected with. In short, companies you are working with. You can likewise work with unique individuals similar to solo temporary workers utilizing persons accounts. Contacts, individuals who work at an organization you are working with accounts. Challenges towards Salesforce CRM. Getting any new business arrangement up and running can be a difficult task to be done. Salesforce CRM is the simplest way to arrange and maintain the data stored on the cloud. Although there exist some difficulties for using it. A. Lack of strategic vision. Each effective CRM extent begins with an unmistakable vision of what you need to fulfill. That will drive your procedures and choices at each progression of your usage. No project team to be fruitful. You require the upfront investment and support of individuals with different points of view and abilities, including partners from all special units. That way, you can maintain a strategic distance from numerous correspondence and selection issues before they begin. No clear process as you work to characterize your procedure. Know about an excess of intricacy. In the event that there are an excessive number of fields, picklets flooding with qualities, or ineffectively sorted out page designs, your clients will be overpowered. Inefficient and baffled, keep it basic and get criticism from planned clients before you dispatch and up and down the path as you refine and work out your application. Salesforce CRM advantages. Salesforce CRM helps in many ways like reporting to higher authority, managing clients' data, reminds of the task or activities for tracking the leads, analyze the market, etc. Listed below is some of the advantages of using Salesforce CRM. A. Get more leads, close more arrangements, and do speedier. B. Effectively tracks and oversees clients' data. Increase customer loyalty, retention, and satisfaction. Simplifies repetitive tasks so you can concentrate on leads. Connect one to one with customers on social, mobile, or more. Expect customers' wants based on past behavior. monitor and manage business anytime from anywhere. Conclusion: CRM allows you to oversee relationships with your customers and prospects and track information identified with the majority of your connections. It additionally helps group teams up both inside and remotely, accumulate experience from online networking, track essential measurements, and convey by means of email, telephone, social, and different channels. It helps organizations to anticipate customer needs based on their past requirements and choices. These are the references: Edward C. Malthus, Michael Hanlon, Bernd Skeria, Egbert Wig, and Michael Zhang, Managing Customer Relation in the Social Media Era. Introducing the Social CRM House, L Server, Journal of Interactive Marketing, 2013. Thank you.